A binomial expression is an expression of the form x plus y raised to power n, where n is a rational number and x plus y is not equal to 0. X and y may be any real number. When n is a small positive whole number such as 1, 2, 3 and so on, the expansion may be relatively simple. But for large values, negative values or fractional values of n, the expansion may not be as simple. The binomial expansion is useful in the expansion of these binomial expressions. It is given by x plus y raised to power n equal to a0 x to power n plus a1 x to power n minus 1 y plus a2 x to power n minus 2 y squared plus plus an minus 1 times x times y raised to power n minus 1 plus an yn. Observe here that the exponent of x decreases by 1 while that of y increases by 1 up till n. The coefficients a0, a1, a2 up to an are supplied from the Pascal's triangle. I have included the link to the video on Pascal's triangle in the description of this video, so you can check it out to learn about Pascal's triangle. Now we are going to solve some examples that will involve using binomial expansion. Obtain the expansion of the following binomials. The first one is x plus y raised to power 5. Next is 2x minus 1 raised to power 5. And the third one is x plus 3 raised to power 4. Before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so that you will be notified of our uploads. Also, click the like button. Now, let's head back to the solution. The first expansion we have is the expansion of x plus y raised to power 5. Here, n is equal to 5. On the Pascal's triangle, the line with n equals 5 has the coefficients 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. These are equivalent to A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5 respectively. The expansion is x plus y raised to power 5 is equal to a0 x to the power 5 plus a1 x to the power 4y plus 10, sorry, not 10, plus a2 x cubed y squared plus a3 x squared y cubed plus a4 x to the power 1 y to the power 4 plus a5 x to the power 0 y to the power 5. Now this is going to be equal to, we are including the coefficients now. a0 is 1 times x to the power 5 plus a1 is 5. So we have 5 times x to the power 4 times y plus a2 is 10. We have 10 x cubed y squared plus a3 is 10 again. So we have 10 x squared y cubed plus a4 is 5. So we have 5 x y to the power 4 plus a5 is 1 times y raised to the power 5. So this is going to be equal to, here 1 times this will give us x to the power 5 plus 5x to the power 4y plus 10x cubed y squared plus 10x squared y cubed plus 5x y to the power 4 plus y to the power 5. So that's the expansion of x plus y to the 5th power. And the second problem is to expand 2x minus 1 raised to the power 5. In this case, n is also equal to 5. And we will still use the same coefficients, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So these are the coefficients that we'll still use, just like in the previous example. In this case, x is equivalent to 2x, and y is equivalent to minus 1. So the expansion will be 2x minus 1 raised to the power 5 is equal to a0 x to the power 5 plus a1 x to the power 4y plus a2 x to the power 3 y squared plus a3 x to the power 2 y cubed plus a4 x to the power 1 y to the power 4 plus a5 x to the power 0 y to the power 5. Now if we substitute the values for x and y and the coefficients, we will have 1 times x is equivalent to 2x, so we have 2x raised to the power 5 here, plus 5 times 2x to the power 4 times y is minus 1, plus 10 times 2x to the power 3 times minus 1 to the power 2 plus 10 again into 2x squared minus 1 cube, then plus 5 times 2x to the power 1 times minus 1 to the power 4 plus the last term is 1 times minus 1 raised to the power 5. So if we multiply out, we are going to have here 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. 32 x raised to the power 5 plus 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. 16 times 5 is equal to 80. So we have 80x to the power 4 multiplied by minus 1, and that gives minus 80x to the power 4. Then the next term is 2 raised to the power 3 here will give 8. 8 times 10 is 80. 80 x cubed, 1 square minus 1 squared is 1. So the next term we have 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. So here we have 40x squared multiplied by minus 1 to the third power, that's a minus 40x squared, plus the next term here gives minus 1 to the power 4 is 1. 1 times 2x times 5 will give us 10x. Then the last term is 1 times minus 1 to the power 5. Minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1. So the result is 32x to the power 5 minus 80x to the power 4 plus 80x cubed minus 40x squared plus 10x minus 1. So that's the result of expanding 2x minus 1 to the 5th power. Now, the last but not the least is the expansion of x plus 3 raised to the power 4. The third one, x plus 3 raised to power 4. In this case, n is equal to 4. Y is equal to 3. And the coefficients to be used will be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Alright, so the expansion is x plus 3 raised to power 4 is equal to a0 x to power 4 plus a1 x to power 3 y plus a2 x to power 2 y squared plus a3 x to power 1 y cubed plus a4 x to power 0 y to power 4. So this is equal to a0 is 1, so we have 1 here, 1 times x to power 4 plus a1 is 4, we have 4 x cubed, y is 3, so we have multiplied by 3 here, plus a2 is 6, so here is 6 x squared times y squared, that's 3 squared, plus a3 is 4, we have 4 x to power 1, which is the same as 4x, times y is 3, so we have 3 raised to power 3 here, plus a4 is 1, 1 times x to the power 0 is 1, y raised to the power 4 is 3 raised to the power 4. So this will be equal to, here we have x to the power 4 plus, here we have 12x cubed plus, this is 9, 9 by 6 is 54, we have 54x squared plus, this one is 3 cubed is 27, 27 times 4 is 108, and the last term is 3 raised to the power 4, which is 81. So this is the expansion of x plus 3 to the 4th power. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned to the channel for more on the binomial expansion. Bye.